In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a ClickUp CRM from scratch, offering you a comprehensive step-by-step guide. To start things off, you'll want to open your web browser and navigate to ClickUp's official website. ClickUp is known as the Everything app, perfect for managing work and productivity. It's a robust tool and we're going to leverage its capabilities to create a highly efficient CRM. Once you're on the ClickUp homepage, the next thing you'll want to do is log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, you can easily sign up and follow through these steps afterward. For those who already have an account, simply find and click on the Login button. It's usually prominently displayed on the top right corner of the page. After hitting the Login button, a prompt will appear giving you the option to sign in using Google. This is a quick and secure way to access your ClickUp account, especially if you regularly use Google for other apps and services. Choose to sign in with Google and select your Google account from the list shown. Click the account you want to use and proceed. Once you're signed in, you'll be taken to your ClickUp dashboard. Here is where the magic happens. Now look for the plus icon on the screen. Clicking this icon will allow you to create a new space, essentially a new area where you can organize different aspects of your CRM. With the new space ready to be created, you'll see an option to use templates. Click on this and you'll find a variety of pre-designed templates that can kickstart the creation of your CRM. In the search bar that appears, type in CRM. This will filter the available templates down to those specifically designed for CRM tasks. From the list of templates, you can select any template that you feel aligns best with your needs. For the purpose of this tutorial, let's choose a sales CRM template, as it's a common requirement in most businesses. After you select a template, look for and click on the Quick Use button. This will immediately set up the chosen template in your new space. As the template is being configured, you'll want to customize your CRM to better fit your unique requirements. To do this, click on the three dots in your new space. A drop-down menu will appear offering various options. From this menu, select Rename to give your space a new name reflective of its function or your department's needs. And there you have it. By following these steps, you have effectively built a CRM using ClickUp, customized to suit the requirements of your business. Remember, as your business needs evolve, you can always revisit these settings to make further adjustments. Enjoy your new organizational tool and watch your productivity soar.